So in this video, I bust out a fade on the sides and back and used some scissor over comb to blend it with the top. We didn't take any hair off the top because the top's already pretty short, and we wanted to leave the top as long as possible. So check out the video. If you guys have any questions, please don't forget to put them down in the comment section below. I hope you guys like this video. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And thank you so much again for watching.
So here is a quick spin around of my models before, and here is me now getting ready to start the haircut. So as you can see, I've got the clippers in my hand. I don't have any guards on the clippers. I basically have the little lever on the clippers closed all the way so the blade is cutting the hair as short as possible. And basically what I'm doing is I'm working in an upward motion, and as I get higher up the hair, I start to flick the clippers out to soften the line so it makes it easier for me to fade out that line later, versus just going in there, creating a hard line, and then having to erase that line later. Got my trimmers in my hand, and I'm just going to work all the way around the head, cleaning up the hairline. Now, for those of you who do not know, trimmers actually will take the hair shorter than the clippers I was just using. So that is why, after I take the hair off with the clippers, I'll then grab my trimmers to clean up the sideburns, the neck hair, just basically all around the hairline. cleaned up the hairline with the trimmers, it is time to do some scissor over comb. Now, you could definitely do this step with some clippers. You'd just put a guard on and you'd leave the length a little bit longer. But for any of you who've ever watched any of my videos, you know that I really enjoy doing scissor over comb. It is a technique that I actually love to do. So, it is now time for some scissor over comb to just really strengthen up the shape, really strengthen up the fade, the blending between the sides and the top. And I'm just going to scissor over comb all around the head, starting from the right side, working my way to the back, working my way to the left side. So now it is time to cut the top of my model's hair, and as you can see, I'm taking very little off because my model's hair on top is already quite short. So I'm really just going through and strengthening up the shape. So we've come to the end of the haircut. I just sprayed down my model's hair with some water, and I'm blow drying the hair back. We're just going to put a little bit of product to style it. Again, here is the before, and here is the after. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or comments, please don't forget to put them down in the comment section below. And I want to thank you guys again so very much for watching.